This tutorial will guide you through the process of tariff management in the Novatel Control Center Planner application. The tariff feature in Planner improves and simplifies the way the plans for our customers and suppliers can be managed. If you want to provide the same set of rates for different customers, there is no need to create separate plans with the same rates. However, any change to the destination rate list would require changing a number of plans. With the tariff feature in Planner, we can now create a tariff with a common plan and easily assign it to various customers. If we need to modify the destination's dial codes or rates in our plan, we do this only once by creating a delta plan for the tariff. All customers that are using that tariff will be automatically updated. We can have any number of tariffs in the system and assign different tariffs to a single customer for different time periods. Also, customers may still be given their own plans and not use a preset tariff at all. They can be changed between custom plans and tariffs at any point along the timeline. The tariff assignment is very flexible and an effective way to manage the plans for customers. To manage the customers and their plans, go to Customer Plans screen under Planner application. The screen has two main panels. The left one presents the list of customers and ingress tariffs, whereas the main one allows the management of their plans. You can switch between the customers and tariffs view using the tabs at the bottom. With the buttons on top, you can create a new customer or a tariff and modify or delete an existing one. The main panel consists of three tabs. You can see them at the bottom. These are Current Plan, Own Plans, and Tariff Assignments. The content of the tabs changes when we select a different customer. The first tab presents the list of all destinations, dial codes and rates active for the current day. The last two columns will tell you if the destination has recently been changed and when it happened. You can always switch to Last Delta Plan using the View Delta Plan Only button. The tabs at the top present different views of your plan along with the overlap analysis against the current reference plan. Note that the status bar message at the bottom will always tell you which view you are actually presented with. This message will contain the tariff name when our customer has a tariff assigned. The Own Plans tab shows you the list of all plans imported directly for your customer. If you don't want your customer to use tariffs and want to create a custom plan, this is the right place to go. Using the buttons at the top, you can create, modify, or remove a plan and also import the changes to the existing ones. You can view the content of the plans by double-clicking on the plan or by choosing the View Content button. You can always merge the Delta plan with all preceding deltas up to the main plan. The last tab of the main panel, Tariff Assignments, is a place where you can manage the tariff for the selected customer. In the upper panel, you can see for which time period which set of rates should be used, whereas in the lower panel, you can see the plans that belong to the selected tariff. Our customer uses its own plans along the whole timeline. You can create a new tariff assignment or remove an existing one using the buttons at the top. Let's now create a couple of tariffs and assign them to our customers. To create a new tariff, we need to switch to Tariffs tab in the left panel and click Create a New Tariff button. Let's create three tariffs: Gold, Silver and Bronze. I have already prepared the proper Excel readers for them, so we can just select them from the drop-down list. Our tariffs can be seen in the list, but are still grayed out because they don't have any ingress plans so far. To create a new plan and import some destinations to it, we go to Tariffs Plan tab. Note that the third tab, Tariff Assignments, is disabled while working with a tariff. Let's create a plan and import some destinations, dial codes and rate from an Excel sheet file. The plans for the Gold tariff are now ready. Let's do the same for the Silver tariff. Of course, just like for a regular customer, for our tariff we may also import data from a CSV file. Let's do that for the Bronze tariff. Our tariffs are now ready. The Current Plan tab will show the active rates for the selected tariff. Let's now switch back to our customers and assign our tariffs. We go to Tariff Assignment tab and click a Create New Tariff Assignment button. We need to specify from which date our assignment should be active and select a tariff we want from the list. Today is preset as the start date by default. The tariff will be enforced from today's midnight, so we are getting a warning that it may require us to re-rate some CDRs. We can now see our tariff is assigned and we can see the tariffs plans when we select the assignment. By providing a date in the future for a new assignment, we can schedule some other changes. But still, the active tariff for our customer for today is Gold, so when we switch to Current Plan tab, we can see the content of Gold tariffs plans. You can see the tariff name in the status bar message. Let's assign our Gold tariff to the other bank customers too. Now, all of our banks use the same tariff. We can see that in the status bar message. If we want to change the rate for some destination, we go back to the tariff definition and import changes to its plans. We will change the rate for Afghanistan to £3. As you can see, the rate has changed for all the customers that use Gold tariff. When after some time we decide that our customer should no longer use the tariff, we simply create a new assignment without choosing any tariff. In the assignment list, we can see our customer will switch back to its own plans on the specified date. You can also create a tariff assignment when creating a new customer. To do that, simply select the desired tariff from a drop-down list in a Customer Creation dialog. As you can see, the Silver tariff is assigned to the customer straight away. I hope this short introduction will let you start using the tariff feature and manage your customer plans more effectively. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact support@novatel.co.uk. Thank you for your time.